Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Cocktails at Home with Tipples. Today we're celebrating World Whisky Day, and to do that we're going to show you how to make a really simple drink that's as tasty today as it was almost 100 years ago when it was first created, called the Blood and Sand. So, 4 ingredients that you need for a Blood and Sand: fresh orange juice, sweet vermouth, Scotch whisky and cherry liqueur. Starting off with our Scotch whisky, today we're using Great King Street Glasgow blend. For a Blood and Sand, you want something big, bold, rich in flavour with the tiniest little bit of peaty smokiness in the background. You don't want your big smoky flavours because it's not going to work for this drink. So there's a lovely sherry finish on the Glasgow blend and this nice little bit of peatiness kicking around in the background. So we're going to start with 25 mils of that. Next up, we need a cherry liqueur, and today we're using Luxardo Sangue Malaco. Slightly sweeter, slightly fruitier than a lot of cherry liqueurs, which is why I like it for this drink. And we're going to go 25 mils of that as well. Next we need a sweet vermouth. There's 1,000,001 different options you can go for this. I've chosen Vermouth di Torino from Cocky. It's got a really rich body and this kind of like bitter chocolate note knocking around, which is going to work really, really well with the cherry, the whiskey and the orange as well. And you may have guessed it, we're going to go 25 mils again. And then to finish it off, because there's a lot of booze in there at the moment, we're going to lengthen it out slightly with some fresh orange juice. Now you can use carton orange juice for this, but if you have the extra time, I really recommend using fresh squeezed. It does make a big, big difference to the flavour of the drink. And we're going to go 25 mils of that as well. Ice that up, and we're going to give it a shake. Just like we did with the Cosmopolitan last week, we're going to strain this off the ice, so serving it straight up, but we're going to fine strain this one. So we're going to run it through a tea strainer, just to take out any little bits of orange or any chips of ice, because we don't want those floating around in the drink. And so you get this nice ruby red looking colour. And then the last thing we need to do is give it a garnish. So again, we're going to go with a little strip of orange zest. Going to twist that over the top, so the first thing that you smell when you go in for this is that nice zesty citrus orange aroma. And there you have the Blood and Sand. Cheers.